Did you know how beneficial avocados are for your heart health? These green gems are abundant in monounsaturated fats. This isn't just any kind of fat, it's the heart-healthy kind that helps lower bad cholesterol levels. That's right, eating avocados can contribute to reducing the risk of heart disease. So if you're looking for a tasty way to protect your ticker, look no further. Avocados might just be your heart's new best friend. So, for a healthy heart, avocados could be your best friend. Despite being high in calories, avocados could be your ally in weight loss and management. How? Well, it's all about their healthy fats and fiber. These aren't just any fats, they're monounsaturated fats that help you feel full and satisfied. Plus, the fiber in avocados aids digestion, further promoting that feeling of fullness. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals, aiding in weight management. So don't worry about the calories. Avocados are here to help you stay lean. Avocados are not just tasty, they're packed with vitamins and minerals. These green gems are a terrific source of essential nutrients. They're high in potassium, surpassing even the famously potassium-rich bananas. Avocados also shine in vitamin content, boasting a good amount of vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate. Vitamin K supports bone health, vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, and folate is crucial for cell repair. So next time you're reaching for a healthful snack, remember the avocado. With avocados, you get a full package of essential nutrients. Want healthy skin and eyes? Avocados might be the answer. Brimming with essential vitamins and antioxidants, this green gem works wonders for your skin, protecting against sun damage and reducing signs of aging. But that's not all. Avocados also come packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that support eye health, potentially reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. To keep your skin glowing and your eyes shining, don't forget to add avocados to your diet. But that's not all. Avocados have more to offer. They're like a multi-tool for your health, with benefits reaching as far as your digestive system. Packed with fiber, avocados not only keep you feeling satisfied, but also support a healthy digestive tract and help prevent constipation. And what about blood sugar? Avocados have a low glycemic index, meaning they're less likely to spike your blood sugar levels. This makes them a handy ally for those looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels, a particularly beneficial trait for individuals managing diabetes. But wait, there's more. Avocados are also champions for your bones. They're a great source of vitamin K and folate, nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining bone health. Regular consumption of avocados may even help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. From your digestion to your bones, avocados support your health at every level. In a nutshell, avocados are a powerhouse of health benefits. They're a heart-friendly food, rich in monounsaturated fats. They aid weight management with their healthy fats and fiber content. This nutrient-dense superfood is packed with vitamins and minerals. They bless your skin and eyes with their antioxidant properties. They support digestive health, regulate blood sugar, and contribute to bone health. With their anti-inflammatory properties, they soothe your body. Incorporating avocados into your diet, whether in salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, provides a range of health benefits for your overall well-being. So why not grab an avocado today?